And we are back with another episode of Highlights from the Permanent Collection. This week is artist Dixie Friend Gay and her piece located at the new Science and Technology building here at Lamar University. Dixie Friend Gay was born in Oklahoma and raised on a cattle ranch. She received her BA in art education from Northwestern Oklahoma State University and began working as a school teacher for 3 years before moving to the East Coast. She continued her education in New York City, attending Pratt Graphic Center, Parsons School of Design, and eventually receiving her MA in Studio Arts from NYU. She works in a variety of media, producing sculptures, prints, drawings, and paintings throughout the years. On several occasions, she has combined 2 or more of these in one piece, but she is widely recognized for her Mosaic murals, which piqued her interest during graduate school while traveling in Europe, acquiring an appreciation for the longevity of materials used after viewing ancient ruins. The piece we will be featuring today is titled And We Waltz With Water, and it was installed in 2018 in the lobby of the Lamar University Science and Technology building to be a part of the public art collection. Dixie Friend Gay frequently incorporates native flora and fauna into her images, and because many of the classes taught in this building related to biology, she chose to create an image incorporating water and air. This impressive 24 by 12 foot mosaic features a site common to Southeast Texas swamps, a body of water with lily pads and rippling reflections. And though her mosaics represent a specific image as a whole, they take on an abstract quality when viewed at a close distance. Here is a quote from Friend Gay. In public art, my approach is to fuse the constraints of the space and the needs of the client so seamlessly with my own vision that the resulting project feels as though none could have existed alone. She starts with a painting and then creates the mural with ceramic, glass, and tiles, often using organic shapes and natural colors. After several weeks of creating hand-glazed tiles to match the colors in the painting, it is photographically reproduced and enlarged to the exact size of the mural. When all the individual pieces are in place and secured, the mural is then cut into sections and placed into a container for shipping. For the Lamar University piece specifically, Dixie Friend Gay and 2 members of her team that assisted with the tiles spent 5 days on campus installing the mural. They followed a key map and attached each of the 52 sections to the wall. Once completely dried in and secured to the wall, 5 different colors of grout were applied to bind the individual tile pieces together. Friend Gay lives and works in Houston, Texas in her impressive home studio that you can view on her website alongside additional photos of her work. She was selected as a Texas Commission for the Arts Texas Artist of the Year in 2003, and her work is in the museum collections of the Huntington Museum of Art, the MFA Houston, and the Art Museum of Southeast Texas here in Beaumont, amongst others. Public commissions include murals at Rice University, Texas A&M University in Galveston, Mueller Park in Austin, and several airports including Dallas Love Field and Bush Intercontinental Airport. We encourage you to visit this piece in person and take in the beautiful sights by an international artist that mimic our area's scenery. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time.